Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how live function works in PySpark. So, live function is used to search content in the text. So, how it going to search the content, we will going to see in this exercise. So, in this exercise, I am importing the required libraries. I am creating a list variable, and in this list variable, it has the address of the CSV file which we are going to read with the help of this custom schema. This custom schema we are creating with the help of a struct type and the struct field. In the struct field, I am defining the column name and the data type. So there are 6 column names I have defined over here. This is the name of the column and the data type. This is the name of the column and its data type. This is the name of the column and its data type. AP state data type is string. APCT data type is of string. With the help of a spark.read function, I am reading the CSV file which is present in this list variable which we have defined here. It has all the addresses of the CSV file which we are going to read with the help of a spark.read.csv function with the help of this custom schema. We have defined 6 columns in this custom schema which we have defined here with the help of a struct type and a struct field. When this data frame gets created, we are filtering the data. What filter generally do? Filter will going to create a subset from a data frame based on the condition. Here, what the condition we are putting? We are putting a condition on the column name AP underscore name, and the condition we are putting with the help of a like function. We are saying percentage yes. So what it will going to do? It will search in AP column if any name has letter yes, it will going to put those records in this data frame with the help of this filter function. And with the help of a display function, we are going to see the content of the data frame which we have just created. In this exercise, what we are going to do till here, reading the CSV file and the creating a data frame with the help of a CSV file, we have done multiple times in our previous video. We are going to copy the code to save time, and we are going to see in this exercise how this live function generally works in Databricks. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create one notebook. Name this notebook as like. Connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. It has been connected successfully. Let's copy the code till reading the CSV file and creating the data frame. So it will going to save a lot of time. So let's import this required libraries. Run this command. It's going to create a custom schema. And let's read the CSV file with spark.read.csv by passing the address of the CSV file and the schema which we have just created. We are also saying that this CSV file has header. Let's see the content of the data frame. Now this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see how like function works. what we are doing, we are filtering. Filtering based on what? We are filtering based on the column AP underscore name, and we are putting one like condition. If any character in AP underscore name column contains yes, what it will going to do? It will fetch those records and put into this data frame. Let's run it. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. So it has only one record. So if you see the content of the data frame which we have just displayed over here, what we have put a small yes. So in this whole data set, only this record has one small yes later. Let's see. Let's create a data frame with the help of a like operator, and in this time we are going to give y. Let's run it. Unexpected parsing. So what it say? Okay, here we need to put one more closing bracket. Now this data frame has been created successfully. This has been created with the help of a filter function, and the condition of the filter is this column must have the y later in its content column content actually. See, it has only one name which has capital Y later. So we have seen how this like works in data frame or PySpark. So we can use like in a multiple ways. This means we are putting these two module sign. What it say in the whole content, if y is there, if we are saying, if we are just removing one of the module signs, so what it's going to say, it is a start with y and end with any text. If I'll say if we'll put this module sign here, so it could be any letter which could be present earlier, but it will ends with y. So let's see one more example that we want Santosh and percentage, means the AP name has this text Santosh, Santosh, and after that whatever the text it would be present, the filter will going to take care, the light will going to take care to filter it, but till this the name should be present till here. Let's see how it works. See, it has one record which has SAMTOSS still here, and after that this module file will going to take care. It will take all the text which is present after Santosh. So there's a lot of way we can just do the, we can use the like function. For more information or for the, there are a number of ways we can use this like function. you can see the documentation of the scar. We can figure it out a number of ways. For the learning purpose, here I am just only trying to show you how this live function generally works in the PySpark. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.